Thanks to America's favorite fast food burger place, a mint shake has become a St. Patrick's Day staple. In my version, I'm adding America's other favorite Irish food, Lucky Charms. I'm starting this recipe off with some mint chocolate chip ice cream. I love the mint in a Shamrock shake. It tastes so good. And I think a mint chocolate chip ice cream is the perfect vehicle to get our shake going. So we have 2 large scoops of mint chocolate chip ice cream, and we're gonna add a bit of Bailey's Irish Cream Coffee Creamer. If you're not making this for the kiddos, maybe you're making it for an adult, maybe yourself. You could do the alcoholic version of Bailey's, but for a family-friendly recipe, we are using the Bailey's Irish Cream Coffee Creamer. Give it that Irish flair. We are also gonna add some whole milk. You really wanna add whole milk here. We don't need any of that low-fat stuff happening here. We want some whole milk. That makes a great milkshake. And for an extra hit of that punch of green in our shake, we're gonna add a teaspoon of green food coloring. I don't love adding a ton of food coloring to my food, so I love that we start out with the green and the mint of the ice cream, and then we just add a little bit of food coloring on top. All right, so we're gonna blend this up till it's nice and creamy like a milkshake. All right, it's time for the fun part of this recipe. We are gonna rim these glasses. Now, a key for rimming glasses is actually to use corn syrup. That's gonna make sure that our beautiful sanding sugar stays on the rim. It gets a nice thick coating there. It's exactly what we want. And we're gonna use gold sanding sugars that kind of mimic like that pot of gold at the end of a rainbow sort of effect. I love anything sparkly. So we're gonna just dip these really lightly in our corn syrup, just like a light little dip, just like that. And then we're gonna put them in the sanding sugar. Oh, this looks so good. So fun and sparkly. And do one more, just a light little dip, and then in the sanding sugar. So awesome, perfect. Okay, our glasses look glorious. I'm gonna pour in our milkshake, and we're gonna top with whipped cream and our magically delicious marshmallows. We have our Shamrock Charm shakes on this beautifully golden platter, almost like the gold at the end of a rainbow. And I'm gonna top these with whipped cream on top. I actually love whipped topping. I feel like that works really well for milkshakes. So I'm just gonna give us a really thick layer here. Never have enough whipped cream. So pretty, just carefully spoon that in. Then we can do a little swirly on top. Cute, that looks awesome. Yum, looking good, looking swirly. And now for our charm on top, our magically delicious marshmallows. So cute. It's amazing how these guys are just maintaining their shape right in the whipped cream. I like to make sure I'm putting the rainbows and the shamrock hats on top, just to give a little cue at our Shamrock Charm shake. I'm gonna add a couple more over here. Cute. What's a green shake without green straws? These are gonna be minty and magical. Minty and delicious. I wanna see how you style your Shamrock Charm shake. Tag @PopKitchen on Instagram or comment below. I wanna know what you wanna see me style next.